Arjun, you guys know him. And check out my channel, guys. So my channel name is Alden Arik World, and I made a new channel called Arik the Pro Gamer. Subscribe to that channel. Give that both channels a like, big thumbs up, turn on the notification and the bell, and subscribe. So I am in my grandmother's house. So today it's my 10th birthday. So tomorrow is my 10th birthday. Today is my small birthday. So my uncle sent me a gift. So I'm gonna check it out. What gift is it? It's from Amazon, and it arrived just now. Look, guys, it's from Amazon. I don't know what it is. It's from Amazon. So let's open it. I need some scissors. It's fine. I can take this with my hands. Oh yeah. I'm gonna open this carefully. How many wrappers are there? I can this. Oh, guys. Look, it's a symbol. I think it's a new edition. It's a cool. Like, what's this? Nothing. Happy birthday, Arik. Oh, he sent me Amazon gift card. Thanks. Sorry, guys. I was taking it. I took it by mistake, but I'm gonna save it. You can see, guys, I'm in my tent. I brought the tent in my grandmother's house. What is this? What? Oh my gosh! It's a science kit. Guys, if you guys know, I love science stuff. So he sent me this. Wow, guys, this is the coolest thing ever. Look at this thing, yeah. And this. I'm gonna clean this up later. This is awesome. Oh, guys, should we open it right now? I think no. I will open it in the next video, guys. So every time I say that, I do everything at the next video, but I will do the Nerf gun battle unboxing. I did that video, so check out that video. And in that video, I will do some experiment with this thing. This is unlimited science kit for little scientists. Cool. And bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye. Thank you for watching this video. And if you guys don't know, subscribe, like, and turn on the notification and the bell. Bye, guys. Thank you. Thank you, Uncle. Bye-bye.